Well guys, we're having the engine washed. So I think it's super important to get rid of all the dirt and grime and old oil off everything that you do. So when possible, try and have your engine washed as best, and go to a reputable place that knows what they're doing, especially with the older engines here. But yeah, a good clean is a huge deal, especially when you've got caked on oil, like I say, from old changes and whatnot. So great to have this done finally.